I'm Matt Easton, the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales training in the world, and cold calling is still the best way for you to generate sales and revenue in your business. If you work in sales and you don't think cold calling works, or you're a manager and your people are telling you, cold calling, it doesn't work, it's probably because of one of these 4 reasons. Reason number 1, you don't know what to say. Cold calling's not an art. It's a science. You have to be very specific about what you say when you cold call, whether they answer or you're leaving a message. Let me give you a few quick tips. Never verify the person's name. Can I speak with John Smith? You're going to get hung up on right away. Also, cold calling is not your time to start your sales presentation. You need a very scientific way of saying some very specific things that gain interest and create that opportunity that you can follow up on later. Number 2, you're calling at the wrong times. Now, I'm not going to tell you that morning is the best time to cold call. Call all the time, but most salespeople that think it doesn't work, they put their cold calls off till the very end of the day. I need you to make cold calling a priority. I'd love it if you'd make those calls in the morning when people are actually at their desk ready to take your call. Number 3 reason why you don't cold call is you've got a bad list. You've got junk information. You're calling wrong numbers. Call my offices. I'll show you a very simple way to get that accurate information. I'll point you in the right direction. And the number 4 reason why salespeople think cold calling doesn't work, you're not really making the calls. You're telling your manager, you're telling yourself, I made 80 dials. Are you sitting down there and writing tick marks for each dial you've made? A lot of times people think they've made 20 calls. It's felt like 20 calls, but they've only made 4 or 5 calls. Hey, follow me for more tips on how to be successful in business and life. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm going to walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm going to show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs, so you can build value in your solution. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. I'm going to show you how to connect with your customer needs, so it's easy for them to buy from you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. Just like you, how to hit their targets. It just doesn't work. Selling is I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling. There's more competition than ever before. And your customers, you get you how to 7 times more. All of a sudden, I'll show you how the perfect sales process perfect sense. I'm going to walk you through never worked in sales or the corporate world, closing the deal. For the advanced sales professionals, I'm going to show you how to take things to their next level. So Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry. I'm going to show you how to connect with your customer. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. The best companies in the world, Matt Easton, and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm going to show you how to be number 1. All of a sudden, your career is going to make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm going to show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.